Have you ever thought, I want to move into product management, but I'm not a product manager? Maybe you're a senior category manager, a business analyst, or a marketing lead. You read the job ads and think, I can do this. But then a little voice creeps in. I don't have the right title. Let me tell you something that changed my entire career. Titles don't get you hired. Skills do. In this video, I'll show you how to stop chasing job titles and start stacking the right skills. We'll walk through 3 steps with real examples to help you frame your mindset, reposition your resume, and build towards your next career move with confidence. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Teresa and I'm a product leader based in Melbourne, Australia. And on this channel, we unpack actionable strategies and practical tools to continuously grow in our career. Number 1, roles are more transferable than you think. Let's look at Jamie. She's a senior category manager in retail. Her daily work, managing suppliers, negotiating pricing, analyzing data, and launching products with marketing and operation teams. Now, Jamie wants to break into product management at the tech company, but doubts herself because her title doesn't say product manager. So here's what she's missing. She's already doing roadmap planning. She just calls it seasonal planning or category strategy. She works with cross-functional teams like marketing and operations. She leverages customer insights and sales data to inform next move decisions. She's practicing the product mindset daily, just without the label. Different industry, same muscle. When you zoom out, Jamie isn't starting from scratch. She's already partway there. The real issue, she's been taught to measure her readiness by title, not by skills. But title doesn't define us. What should matter is how you think, what you've done, and how you solve problems. Number 2, strip away the title, do the skill match test. Now, next time you find a role that you're excited about, try this. Firstly, ignore the job title. Focus only on the responsibilities. Say you find a listing for product manager in the customer experience area. It might include something like own the product roadmap for onboarding journeys, collaborate with designers and engineers to ship experiments, use data to inform product decisions. Now look at your own experience. Even if your title says something like a service design lead, a category manager, or a business analyst, ask yourself these questions. Have you owned or improved part of the customer journey? Have you worked with user experience or development teams? Have you used analytics, sales data, or research to inform decisions? Now, if they are all yes, then the skills align, even if the label doesn't. Here's a pro tip. Not only does this boost your confidence, it becomes your interview preparation. These are your stories. Next is stack the skills, fill the gap through action. Let's say you've identified a few gaps. Maybe you haven't worked directly with engineers or never written a product spec. This is where skill stacking comes in. You don't need another degree. What you need is real-world context. And here's a couple of ways to create that. One is through volunteering with startups. Many early stage founders need help validating ideas, so offer to run customer interviews or shape an MVP feature. Mentor or joining a side project. You bring your leadership and you learn product practice in the process. Owning an internal initiative at your current job. Frame it like a product, define the problem, research the pain points, prototype solutions, and measure impact. And lastly, share your career goals with your manager. They might connect you with a mentor, allow you to shadow another product manager, or even offer a short-term secondment to build those capabilities inside your current role. Let me tell you a story how I made my first leap. So I worked as a business analyst for many years, but I knew I wanted to move into product management. So instead of waiting, I created my own opportunity. I joined a friend's startup part-time. No title, no official roles, I just helped. Over 12 months, I have built the product from ground up, and I ran customer interviews, created early prototypes, wrote the copy deck, built marketing assets, and we eventually launched. Now at work, I shared this journey with my manager. She didn't just hear it, what I've done, she saw the work, the initiative I took, the thinking, and she gave me my first product manager role. No job posting, no internal applications. Now that side project, it became my most powerful portfolio piece because it wasn't about the title, it was about the skills that I showed in action. So let's wrap this up. Here's 3 things I want you to remember. 1, your title does not define your potential. Skills are what hiring managers are really looking for. Do the skill match test. Strip out the titles and compare the actual work. Stack the skills you're missing by creating your own experience through side projects, volunteering, or internal experiments. Now, the future of work is fluid. Career paths aren't ladders, they're jungles pretty much. So if you're ready to move into product or a new domain, stop waiting for permission, start stacking, start showing, and lead your own career change. If you find this video insightful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to share your own skill stacking technique, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.